All right, we got another word problem here, and we know what to do. We need to read the question first, and then understand the question, decide on what do we know, what is important, and what do we not know, and come up with some kind of strategy to solve the problem. Maybe we need to draw a diagram. Let's see. So Jenny needs to save at least $900, at least. So that would be the minimum. So she could save $900, but it could be more to go to Palawan. She saves $40, $5 each week, and now has 180. So she has 180 now. Long ways to go. So let's write an inequality and solve it to determine how many more weeks it will take Jenny to save enough money. So some of the important things, she has 180. So that's what we're starting with, right? Let's fix that. That was not what I wanted. Okay, there we go. So she has she needs to get 900. Okay, so that's an important thing. She needs at least 900. So it could be more than 900 or equal to 900, right? And each week she saves $45 each week. Okay. So what is our target? Let's think about what is it that we don't know. We don't know how many weeks. Okay, that's really our unknown. So we don't know what that is. Let's make a let statement. Let W be the amount of weeks. We're starting off at 0 weeks right now, so and then in 1 week we'll have $45 more each week, right? Can we make an equation? We know that we want to have more than or equal to 900. That's our goal here, to get to Palawan. What do we have? She has, the amount of money she has is 180, right? Plus, she's going to make $45 each week. So 45, and I'm going to multiply by W. There's my inequality, right? Let's just double check to see if that makes sense. She starts with 180. Okay, we have 180. And she saves, so she's adding $45 per week. We need to get at least, so we could have more than 900, but it has to be at least 900. So it could be equal to. So it's greater than or equal to. All right, and we know how to solve these. All we do is the same as when we solve an equation. Same to both sides, and we're trying to isolate our variable. And the variable is how many weeks it will take. So we're going to subtract 180 from both sides. Remember, we can use our calculators here. So we have 45W is greater than or equal to, I think I can do that one with mental math, so that'd be 720, right? 720. Okay, so now we need to divide both sides by 45 to isolate W. What do we do? So if I divide 720 by 45, I could use my calculator. Right? Some people might do a pretty good job with mental math, but we'll see. It actually comes out to 16. Okay, so if I was to put that on a number line, which I could do, here's 16. We know over here is 17. So, and it has to be, the number of weeks has to be greater than or equal to 16. And it could be equal to, so I could shade that in there, right? Did we answer the question? We really didn't answer the question yet. We did all the math work, so it would be a shame not to answer it. The question says, how many weeks does Jenny need to save to be able to go on her trip? So now we need to make sure we answer that. Jenny needs to save for at least 16 weeks. And you could say she needs to save for 16 or more weeks, at least 16 weeks, and various other ways to say that, right? All right, that's it for that one.